Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how you can get rid of the frequently asked questions that pops up or could pop up when you're testing your ads and your chatbots. So you'll know the frequently asked questions are right here. So when you go to test your JSON and it opens up your initial opt-in message, if you've got these menu items down below right here, is anyone available to chat, I'm interested, that sort of thing, those are your default frequently asked questions. They're not in ManyChat, they're in Facebook. So here is my new page, 24/7 Rocket Media. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the inbox, and you'll want to come over here and hit automated responses. Now these automated responses are right here, frequently asked questions. Make sure that gets toggled off, and then appointment reminders. We're using ManyChat and we've got our own calendar set up, so we don't need to worry about these two things. So we're just going to make sure those are off. Head back to the page. Let's go back to the inbox just to make sure they stayed off. And look at that, frequently asked questions pop back on. That sneaky devil. There it is. Let's go to all messages. Come back. There we go. Now it looks like it's going to stay off. This happened to me before where I turned it off. I turned off the feature and then it didn't go away, and it was kind of a bummer. Yeah, okay. Seems like now it's stayed off. So go ahead and turn those things off if that's bugging you. It probably is. And just double check and make sure that they're off. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.